What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you watched my latest upload, which was like 3 weeks ago, we did some minor front end changes to the front end of the truck here. We replaced the OEM HID bulbs in the headlights for some last fit LED bulbs, which was a pretty nice upgrade. And then also we replaced the golden yellow Chevy bow tie with one of these black ones. Now, today we're gonna do some stuff to the back end. So here I have a black bow tie to replace the gold one on the rear. Subscriber sent these to me, and I knew I wanted to replace the front one because if you take it off the grill, it leaves a big bow tie mark. Like, there needs to be a bow tie there. Basically on the back, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, what direction I wanted to go with, if I even wanted to put this on, if I just wanted to clean the whole back up. Because I've always wanted to take off the Silverado and the LT on the tailgate. Wasn't sure what I wanted to do for the bow tie here, so I did go to Photoshop and I just kind of photoshopped some photos right here. So here you're going to see the truck down in Daytona with the black bow tie. Before it was just vinyl wrapped. Here you're going to see a photo without the Silverado and without the LT. Then here you're going to see a photo with nothing on the tailgate at all. And so it definitely helped me make up my mind a lot. So I am going to actually be replacing that one and putting this guy on, but I am going to get rid of the Silverado and the LT. So all we're going to do, it is a pretty simple process. I'm sure you guys have figured it out yourselves, but if you are watching and you do care to watch, first thing we're going to do is clean up the back end because this thing is filthy. I took a couple road trips on the past few weekends, and during the week it's been too busy, so I haven't been able to do anything. I don't have any fishing wire. A lot of people use fishing wire to get back behind the letters to pull off. I don't have any of that. I do have masking tape to mark off exactly where this bow tie is, so this one will go directly in its place. And I also do not have the 3M wheel that goes on the end of a drill to clean all that stuff up. The only stuff I do have is some Goo Gone, so hopefully that's enough in there. And I do have my girlfriend's hair dryer, so hopefully that heats up the glue enough. And I might use one of these picks here just to get back behind the just to get back behind the letters enough, but not to touch the paint. Rip those letters off, Goo Gone it all up so that way it's all nice and clean. And we'll replace that yellow bow tie with the black one, and that's the video, man. That's the video. So let's get started. I caved in and bought one. All right guys, just like that, here she is. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Just the black bow tie, got rid of the Silverado and the LT. Personally, I think it's super, super clean. I like that. I think it cleans it up very nice. I did not get rid of the Silverado badging on the side though. And I know a lot of people have been telling me to also do that, but I kind of like the Silverado badging on the side because I have chrome bumper, grill, chrome bumper, and then like the chrome accents on the wheel. If you could see the spiked lug nuts and then the bolts around the outside, I think that chrome accents it right there. Those Silverado badges accent the chrome. Now if this thing was completely color matched and a completely gloss black wheel, I'd probably get rid of those too, but right now I think that's nice. It ties it all in together, but you know, that's of course my opinion. And that's it guys, that is all I have for you. If you noticed, I did go out and buy one of those 3M rubber adhesive wheels or whatever. I didn't want to begin with because they're like 50 bucks and I really didn't want to spend the 50 bucks. But honestly, I was kind of wearing my fingertips off, trying to scrub all that sticky stuff off, all the sticky 3M stuff. My fingers got tired. I didn't want to do that for the rest. You saw once I got that removal tool for the drill, how easy it was to get rid of the rest of the sticky stuff. I don't know what else to call it. Well worth it because the next truck will be debadging, and I mean, it's going to be a very useful tool. So I never wanted to buy one. I finally did. And that's all I got for you guys today. So hopefully it's not another 3 weeks before I upload. Hopefully I can get back on a weekly upload basis. I know I say that all the time. I really hope I do. But that's all I got for you guys today. Check out Motivated Apparel if you haven't already. We got some new designs, new t-shirts, and new colors up on the website. Link and everything is in the description. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the build, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.